Most producers set distortion and leave it static, but Drive can move with your groove. It can react to your transients. It can animate across the frequency spectrum. So today I'll show you how to make your music feel alive with 4 reactive distortion techniques that are all road tested in my actual productions. Okay, this first technique is guaranteed to get any simple sound moving and heads nodding. So this is Drive Shaper that runs in our ShaperBox plugin. If you want to follow along, grab the free demo linked below. Let's draw in the editor to modulate Drive and create new rhythmic harmonics. Or browse the wave presets for inspiration. And we can change the speed of the pattern. For best results, adjust the input gain so the transfer curve feels red most but not all of the time. This is the sweet spot for maximum character without losing control. Then level match the output so you're judging tone, not loudness. And here's a pro tip, I've got this vocal, and Volume Shaper is making this staccato rhythm. You can copy an LFO shape from one ShaperBox effect to another, so let's copy this, then paste it over to Drive Shaper. This gives us crunchy accents that match the overall groove. So rhythmic distortion will inject groove and style and fatness in unique ways. Next, use tip number 2 when you want your distortion to breathe and feel like an extension of your sound. This 808 bass is too plain, it needs some movement, some attitude. But static Drive sounds too flat and constant. So here in Drive Shaper, I'm going to switch to audio mode. This turns on audio triggering, which means that the LFO will reset on each 808 transient. Now you can think of this drive almost like an extension of your synth, and we can design the exact shape and flavour of attitude we need. Speaking of flavours, Drive Shaper's got 12 different styles of distortion. Choose from classic clipping to square grit to octave up rectifying to wave folding chaos. So back to reactivity, audio triggering resets the wave on each transient, but to make Drive react to your audio waveform instead, turn off audio mode and use the analog style envelope follower. Now the distortion bounces in response to your signal's incoming dynamics. And we can even add a bit of noise before Drive Shaper for more grit. So you can make Drive react to transients or your audio waveform, or both together, and you can also re-trigger with MIDI notes. Okay, next tip 3. What if your lows stay clean while everything above goes wild? Up here in the multiband section, you can easily split your sound into 3 bands, lows, mids and highs, and drive each one differently. Each band has its own LFO, envelope follower and controls. So instead of smashing your whole sound at once, your bass can stay clean and solid while the mids grind and the top end flickers with movement. Or add just a spike of distortion in one frequency range for subtle energy exactly where it needs lifting. And if you want to go full sound design mode, animate all 3 bands with different styles and different curves. Next, tip 4. So far we've controlled when and where distortion happens. Now let's zoom in and shape the drive response itself. Some drive shaper styles include this push control. This shifts the waveform for extra asymmetry and grit, changing the harmonic balance in a more aggressive way. Grip controls how the distortion responds to quieter parts of the signal. So if ambience or noise is triggering too much distortion, increase grip to tighten it up. Or use it creatively for crunchy, gated textures. If you like your drive rhythm but want the distorted moments to hit harder or softer, Accent adjusts the relative volume of the distorted parts, so the movement stays the same but the dynamics changes. And tone is similar, but it's like EQing only the distorted parts. You can make the drive darker and thicker, or brighter and sharper without touching the clean areas. And a bonus tip, drive on its own is powerful, but combined with the other ShaperBox effects, it becomes even more creative. Try heavy drive into a moving filter for animated sweeps. Or stack shaper effects for evolving harmonic textures. To try Drive Shaper inside our award-winning ShaperBox, download the free demo at Cableguys.com. And to use these drive techniques to make vocal effects that hook you like the pros, go and watch this video next.